Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today I'm going to take a look at the Triangle 215/75R 17.5 radial tire in a load range H, mounted on the 17.5-inch gray solid center steel trailer wheel with an offset and an 8 on 6.5-inch bolt pattern. Now this tire and wheel assembly is designed for use on heavy-duty trailers. The wheel is a heavy-duty wheel. It's sturdy steel construction, and as you can see, it is a nice solid center design wheel. Has excellent corrosion resistance, and you can see it's a gray powder coat finish over an E-coat primer on the front and even on the back of the wheel. Now this wheel is a hub piloted wheel. Has a pilot hole diameter right here of 4.76 inches, and it'll center exactly on the hub of your trailer. So what you're going to do is when you go to install this, you'll slide this up onto the hub and it'll fit the hole exactly. The studs will come through the holes here, and what you'll end up doing, because these bolt holes, you'll notice there's no bevel to them or a chamfer, and the reason that is because it's centering on the hub. So basically you just put your lugs in. It does require the use of 5/8 inch by 18 size flange nuts for installation. We do sell those separately on our website. Now this wheel also uses a positive offset, and that means that the wheel will move toward the trailer frame. And the way it does that is this mounting surface of the wheel. If it's right at the center line of the wheel, that's 0 starting point, and depending which way it moves depends on the offset. So positive offset is going to mean that the wheel is going to move to the front of the wheel. There's your front of the wheel. So if this center mounting center right here is moved, it's going to be moved 0.19 inches this way, positive, which in turn means that it will move the wheel and tire back towards the trailer frame. Now the wheel dimension is 17.5 inches. That's the diameter. The width, 6 3/4 inches. We mentioned the bolt pattern on this is an 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern. And if you want to measure that on a wheel that's an even number of lugs, like in this case 8, it's pretty simple because the lug holes you can see are directly across from each other. So just pick any hole, let's say this one, measure from the center of this hole to the center of the hole right across from it. So that'll get you a measurement of 6.5 inches. So it's an 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern. The wheel itself has a weight capacity of 6,005 pounds. Now this tire that's mounted on it is a premium multi-use steer or all-position radial tire. It is constructed with all steel belts to enhance your durability and extend the tread life. Also, if we turn it this way, you'll notice the wide shoulders here promote even wear and better traction, and it offers an enhanced casing package that will help improve toughness and retreadability. The tire size, which will be stamped on the sidewall. If we go right here, you'll see 215/75R 17.5. The R means that it is a radial tire. Section width, 8.3 inches. Overall diameter from the bottom to the top when it's inflated, it's 30.2 inches. And this tire is a load range H, which means it's a 16-ply rated tire. Has a maximum load capacity of 4,805 pounds at 125 PSI. And this tire does have a speed rating, and they stamp it on the sidewall with a letter designation. And where you'll find that is right after the tire size we just went over. There's 2 numbers for the load index, and then there's the letter L. Speed rating L will mean that it's a 75 mile per hour speed rated tire. But that should do it for the look at this Triangle 215/75R 17.5 radial tire in a load range H, mounted on this 17.5 inch gray solid center steel trailer wheel with an offset and an 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern.